Indonesia, Indonesia. You jajah my country. Iya. You colonizing my country. Iya, my country Indonesia.
By
Adam,
Ih, kenapa? Ganteng ya? Ih, ganteng.
Wow, hai, tuh dance спела.
Kicau burung bernyanyi.
выруби свое говно.
Ой, случайно.
Hari dan embun pun memudar menyongsong fajar. Adakah esok kau senyum jua, memberi hangatnya sejuta rasa. Kicau burung bernyanyi. Why are you dancing like that? Aduh. How is my voice? Is that good?
Nice, nice.
Oh, thank you very much.
Very good.
Very much. Thank you very much. What?
Singapore.
Singapore. Yeah. No, no. Indonesia, Indonesia. You jajah my country. Yeah. You colonizing my country. Yeah. My country Indonesia. Yeah. You Cornelis de Houtman. VOC. Cornelis de Houtman siapa ya? Snoek Hurgronje. Yeah, you know Snoek Hurgronje? No.
Speak English now.
Yeah, I speak English right now. You don't understand me? Yeah.
I understand.
Iya, very good. Kan?
Are you in Singapore?
No, I am Indonesia. Do you know Indonesia?
Maar je kan ook goed aan Juliano wel zien, hoor.
Iya, Indonesia. Because your country kan colonizing my country. Yeah.
Yeah.
Iya.
I live in my country.
Iya. Where are you? Where are you from? You from Netherlands?
Bulgaria.
Oh, you from Nigeria?
That is not my... No, Bulgaria, man.
Algeria.
Bulgaria.
What? I don't listen you because the microphone very bad.
Bulgaria.
Oh, Bulgaria. Iya, Bulgaria. Very good. Oh iya. Oh iya, you.
Nee,
The woman.
no, I didn't.
Iya.
I didn't colonize.
Your grandfather colonizing my country. Iya. Your grandfather of the grandfather arrived to my country. Iya,
No, I'm a gypsy myself.
Oh,
Maya,
gypsy.
no.
Gypsy Romania. Yeah.
No, I'm not. No. No.
Oh, no, because I thought you were Netherlands. Yeah, Netherlands colonizing my
Yes,
country.
I'm born here, but
Oh,
no.
you born here. What's your name? Van Persie? What is your name? Sweetheart? Hey, Daniela. Wow, good. Very good name. Daniela. And you, the man. What is your name?
Isperik.
Isperik. Wah, very hard to say it. Your Bulgaria, man, very hard.
No, my name is Atanas.
Nanas. Nanas.
Atanas.
Oh,
Atanas.
Atanas. Oh, Atanas. Is he your husband?
No,
Oh,
not yet.
Oh, not yet. You get.
Not yet.
Wah, iya, you marry her dong, marry her. Iya, give decision, marry her. Gitu.
Hier, hoor je dat?
Go to her family, propose her. Iya.
Indonesian people smoke too much.
Oh iya, smoke too much, bener. Indonesian people from teenager, from the kids,
Yeah.
iya, smoking too much. because
You wonder why
because the advertisement in the billboard and the media electronic media, social media, banyak orang ngerokok. Aduh, you cakep banget dah.
I watch documentary about it.
Oh you watch documentary in YouTube, yes? Yeah.
Your country about smoking is fucked up. Little kids are smoking.
Because the regulation is not really good. To protect the children from the smoking. Di smoking baik dah. Anak-anak masih kecil pada, waduh, ente nakal, you naughty. Hello. You talking what? I don't understand. Peter Gade, Boy Morgensen, Monde. You like Monde? Dah. Apa sih? Ntar gua kasih subtitle dah biar lucu. Very good. Ada. Iya. Oh iya. Nyari Dayana. Where is Dayana, brotherku? You know Dayana?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know
No, of course.
Dayana. Dayana is popular in YouTube because she is romantic with Vicky Naki. Gitu. Is she popular in Kazakhstan, Dayana?
No, sorry.
Oh no, not popular ya. Dia mah pansos doang sama Indonesia. Iya dah, very good. Kong. You chilling, Kong. Halo. Kong. Hello. What are you doing? Kong. Good. How are you? Where is your hair? Hair in the center. Kepala lu, rambut lu di tengah mana? Lost, hilang. You eat gorengan. Make kopi. Drinking kopi nih, kopi. Very good, Kong. Ente diem aja, Kong. Ente ada kontrak sama RCTI, Kong. Nggak boleh ngomong. Ya limbat ente. Kong, besok deh gue dicuekin si Engkong. Gorengan enak, Kong. You eat gorengan. Cireng.
Понимаю.
Oh,
Понимаю тебя.
ni pani malu.
Я тебя не понимаю.
Yipi ni mani malu, you don't understand. Iya, gue tahu yipi ni manu artinya you don't understand. Iya, tapi nggak apa-apa, gue cuma mau nasihatin lo, Kong. Udah tua, Kong. Itu banyakin ibadah, baca Al-Quran. You Muslim not? No ya, Jipani Manyu aja ente. Iya, very good.
Singapore.
Iya, halo Ibrahimovic. Iya.
Everything good in Sweden.
Iya, Sweden. Larsson, ya kan? Gu Johnson, iya. Son. Your name kan Son. Iya. Many Sweden people name Son.
I know.
Isakson, Marason.
People named Ching.
No, Singapore. I'm Indonesia, not Singapore. Iya.
What's your name?
My name is Sendok Nyam. Nyam. Sendok Nyam. Sendok Nyam. Iya. Sendok Nyam.
Oh, Sendok Nyam.
Iya. Very good.
It's a good name.
Iya. What's your name, brother? Iya, your name? Polandia lagi. Ini siapa nih?
Jonas.
Oh, Jonas. Belum kenal.
David.
Wah, Devin. Wah. Leo. Wah, ada. Mantap dah. Yo, One Direction. Yo. Like after that, nobody else. Iya. You singing dong dah. Iya, you handsome.
yeah, we sing the baby.
Oh iya.
Baby.
I'm going baby on baby.
Baby. Oh, waduh. You
I'm
drink
going baby on baby.
oil mie ayam.
Take care of dance to politics, slang it through the 80s. Come and get
Wih,
your
sweet.
Wah.
Wah.
Cocaine in the 80s.
Wah, you rapper ya? You rapper. Waduh.
Rapper.
Iya, rapper dia. Very good rapping. Seekor kera terkurung terpenjara dalam gua di gunung tinggi sunyi tempat hukuman para dewa bertindak sesuka hati loncat ke sana ke sini. Hilangkan semua beban dari muka bumi ini. Dengan selai bulu dan rambut dari tubuhnya dia melompat menurutnya menepa apa yang ada walau halangan. Rintangan semakin nyata melentang. Tak jadi masalah, tak jadi beban pikiran. Berpelan tiap hari demi mendapat kitab suci dengan dukungan dari gurunya. Temukan jati diri semua akan dihadapi dengan gagah berani walau ala rintangan datang semacam lagi. Iya kayak gitu. Rapping.
Fire, my guy.
Fire, bro. That's
Waduh, mantap kan? Iya dah.
Tapi tinggal di Jakarta.
Tinggal di Jakarta, bener bang. Iya.
Sekarang
Iya, lagi di Jakarta nih bang. Ente orang Bandung. Ini lagi di Bandung sekarang.
iya. Enggak.
Di mana sekarang? Nih.
Lagi di Turki.
Lagi di Turki. Ah, bohong aja ente bang.
Iya bohong.
Iya bang.
Bohong.
Ente mirip kakek-kakek Metal Slug.
Jelas dong.
Iya. Tahu gak kakek-kakek Metal Slug yang minta dilepasin mulu talinya? Iya, itu kakek-kakek Metal Slug. Mirip abang dah. Jangan-jangan abang tuh kakek-kakek
Asli.
Metal Slug. Iya.
Asli.
Iya, bener jenggotnya mirip gitu. Yang biasa ngasih tembakan gitu ya, kalau hak kan drrrt gitu. Ente main PS1 kayak kakek-kakek Metal Slug bang, ente bang yang dibukain mulu talinya, gini diikat-ikat. Iya. Ada abang ketawa lagi bang. Namanya siapa bang?
Gila,
Namanya?
Ajo.
Oh, Ajo. Mantap, Ajo.
Siapa? Situ namanya siapa, Dek?
Saya namanya Latif, Bang. Latif.
Bang,
Abdul Latif, Bang. Latif Latif artinya apa, Bang? Tahu gak, Bang?
Nggak tahu.
Ya, ente Kristen ya, Bang?
Latif itu apa? Pernah tahu.
Latif itu artinya lembut, Bang, lembut. Itu nama asma Allah, Asmaul Husna. Latif, iya kan, Rohman Rohim, Latif, iya. Gitu, brother.
Malik Ridwan itu.
Apa? Malik Ridwan. Itu mah malaikat. Bukan asma Allah. Aduh, ente kayaknya jauh dari agama nih.